In the coastal areas of central Vietnam, the fishermen use some unusual boats. The basket boats that dot the waters from the southern coast all the way up to Da Nang have become iconic to Vietnam. But there's a story behind this. Join us on a bamboo basket boat trip. We took a bamboo basket boat trip in the Cua Dai Bay, some 5 kilometers from Hoi An. We boarded a bamboo boat with a local family and navigated the small channels of the mangrove forest and coconut palms. The Thung Chai, or basket boat, dates from the French colonial era. When the French arrived in Vietnam, they began levying taxes on the ownership of boats. The poor fishermen could not afford to pay the taxes, so they built this new type of boat and argued that these were not boats at all, but baskets, and therefore could not be taxed. The basket boats quickly became popular up and down the coast, thanks to both their tax-free status and their impressive engineering. Constructed by hammering strips of bamboo into place, the boat is then coated in waterproof resin made from coconut oil, tar or fiberglass. With regular recoating, each boat can last decades, longer even than the people who made them. The round shape of the boats and the lightweight materials help them move naturally with the sea. While other boats cut through the water, basket boats stay above the waves and rarely overturn. This means fishermen can fish closer to shore than other vessels. Basket boats can be pushed straight into the ocean from the beach, whereas heavy long-tail boats generally have to enter the water through a river. Attempt to row a Thung Chai and you will almost invariably just send yourself in circles. The proper technique is to gently wave the paddle back and forth through the water in an arcing motion. The locals perform some karaoke entertainment for the visitors. And lastly, show us how much they are in control of the bamboo basket by a quick spin. Overall, it was a nice, although somewhat touristic trip. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel and watch the next video.
Dream
Explore and travel with us.